Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to troubleshoot mold on interior walls. Now we're here in a bathroom renovation project and where we're doing some painting. And this is a typical area that you will find some mold and mildew build up. Now the most important thing in a bathroom to keep mold and mildew is to have a preventative mindset. And that is most of your bathrooms are equipped with an exhaust fan. If not, it's a good idea to install one. And you want to run these exhaust fans for about 20 minutes after you take a shower. Now there are timers that you can put on so that when you turn those exhaust fans off, you can actually have them run for a particular amount of time. So that makes it a lot easier to make sure that happens. So that's kind of a preventative measure. Now if you run into a situation where you do have some mold and mildew evidenced in your bathroom and you want to treat it, then there's some easy ways to do that. The first is we want to take a gallon of water, a couple of gallons of water, and we want to mix about a quarter cup to a half a cup of bleach in there, along with about a half a cup of laundry detergent. This will give you a good solution to go over and to clean those areas using a sponge. And we want to get all that mold and mildew off. The bleach mixture in there will help kill a lot of that mold and mildew. And then we can go back, and once that is fully dry, we can rinse it with a clean water solution and then come back and touch up paint if need be. There are some other things as far as using, particularly if we're going to be repainting, is UTSP. Now if you have a particular area that is prone to mold and mildew, once you have removed that mold and mildew, it's a good idea to use a mildew inhibitor either as an additive in your paint or to get the paint product with it already mixed in. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to troubleshoot mildew in interior paint.